a universal language presenting barriers, cultures, and religion. It is a language that does not rely on words but on emotions and expressions. In it lies a whole range of human experiences: joy and sorrow, passion and serenity, chaos and tranquility.
Dancers often use movement to tell stories or convey narratives through their movements. They can depict characters, relationships, conflicts, and resolutions, creating a powerful form of expression.
You know, Anshina, Indian classical dance is a rhythm with flexibility and a rhythm with love.
Absolutely, Akshada. It is Tala with sharpness and Abhinaya with lasyas and rasas.
Altogether, it's the Natya, the art of speaking to the audience.
So, let us hold our breath, cheer at the top of our lungs, and be prepared to let the rhythm and energy move us tonight. Without any further ado, let's kick off the Bharatanatyam by 3 to 5 friends.
Tatam, tajum, tajum, tatam. Kadakadam, tam tam, kadakadam, dim dim, kadakadai, tam kadakadam, kadakadam.